BMW X4 removal and installation tutorial. Removing the air vents. Unplug. Remove the screws. Pry open the cover. Remove the screws. Pry open the cover. Unplug. Remove the screws. Remove the CD player. Unplug. Remove the original car screen. Connect the new cables. Plug in. Organize cables. Install the frame. Install the screws. Install the CD player. Install the button. Install the screws. Install the lower covers. Connecting new wires. Install the air outlet. Completed.